Solar system.
As in the solar system, we can in our solar system
Focus on your non-verbal.
we know that it's kind of
Stand still.
discipline is a one kind of things. In that, without discipline, we can't get success in future. And
You are losing eye contact.
yes.
So a very warm good afternoon, good morning to everyone. So we are going to have one beautiful speaking challenge, and in that speaking challenge we are going to invite you all to come up on the stage where you will be given a random topic to speak continuously. That is called the spontaneous speaking, and immediately after taking the topic you have to start speaking on that topic, and it helps you. There are a few benefits of doing this. It helps you to stand courageously and confidently on the stage. It helps you to talk on any random topic without preparation. It also helps you to just talk in English, as we don't have friends and we don't get too much time to talk in English. At least continuously let's engage our own selves for speaking in English. It helps you with your body language. It helps you gain experience of speaking on the stage in English. Already you all are public speaker in Canada. Now it's time to shift yourself from Canada to English public speaker. So now here are my guests that I'm going to announce. The first guest, please put your hands together to call them upon the stage. Please, Tanaji, come upon the stage. Tanaji, you are the first guest of this session today, and you know the curriculum that we are going to follow. And I want you to respond to every topic that is being thrown on you. And everybody, please keep yourself ready to give topic in between. Immediately after 20 to 30 seconds of his speaking, you have to add a new topic. On that new topic he is going to talk, and immediately after that 20 or 30 seconds again you have to add a new topic in that he is going to again talk in that. Understood, everybody? Okay, fine. Yeah, here is my first topic that I'll throw on you once he completes his introduction.
Thank you, sir, for giving such opportunity to express myself.
You just focus on your non-verbal.
We know that it's kind of
Stand still.
we know it's kind of awkward situation, in that it's hard to change our thinking thoughts suddenly. So in this task I will try my as level as best. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. And here that I'm going to give the first topic to you to talk is that notebook.
Notebook is a one thing by that we can revise, we can write multiple things, we can use to write the whatever we get, whatever we feel that's important. By any invention things, any direction movies, before their final stage, before they used to write things in accordingly in state wise. And notebook is used for writing skills, for
Please.
knowledge is a one kind of zenith level of personal development. By this by the knowledge we can he express his thoughts, by he express his personality, he express his the way he acting. And his skills and every skills are kind of knowledge. We can gain knowledge by the reading books, we can gain knowledge by getting a market. By in market we can see lots of things happen daily. In that market we can observe many things of economy talks, not only lots of different kind of peoples we can get meet in that market. Discipline is a one kind of things, in that without discipline we can't get success in future. Discipline is the only things that can will bring you in a proper personality. And
You are losing eye contact.
yes, without discipline we can't get success. If you got success without discipline, means it will not remain until last. So in everyone's life friends is play a very important role, because whatever our mentality will depends on our friends. If our friends are good, then automatically our mentality, our thinking level will be good.
Courage.
Courage is a one type of good thing. By the courage, we can express comfortably our thoughts to our audience. Courage is a first step of our success, because we dare to take courage. Then half success will be done.
Job.
In present situation, job is very essential, because people will respect, people will give you respect based on your job. If you are earning job more, means people will give more respect. In everyone's life, job plays a key role, because breathing is a
Breathing. Hmm.
breathing is a very essential metabolic activity. By that we can exhale carbon dioxide, inhale oxygen. By that our by breathing, our oxygen will in blood circulation, our oxygen will exchange with oxygen take in blood, and carbon dioxide.
Food.
Food is food is very essential for a healthy person. Food can get, by the food we can get good kind of nutrition. Taking a good time of foods, and taking in a proper way is a very helpful for maintaining a good
ID card.
by the ID card we can get to know who I am. The ID card shows our details, and we can see it in many movie. By the seeing ID can, we can get our cell number and parents details, our address, and even if we can get blood groups. By the blood groups we can do in accidental cases.
Brothers.
In a if we see in the family, if elder brothers have good kind of qualities, means of course the family will have the good qualities, because our younger brothers and sister will grow based on the brothers behavior and their quality of thinking. By that whole family will lead good.
Solar system.
As in the solar system, in our solar system we can see 8 planets and one star, sun. The sun is a source of every energy. By the sun we can get energy. Ultimate source of energy is a sun. In sun we can see many. In solar system we can see many meteors.
Scientist.
Scientist is a one kind. Scientist is very essential for our day to day life, because we can see surroundings our object. We can see mobile, we can see chair, everything. That's creation. This credit goes to scientists, because once upon they thought that such will things happen before the creation of such thing. Scientists is plays key role.
Super. Super. Your talk was literally amazing. I was amazed by this because he implemented all the conditions that were put on him very carefully, because he was totally aware about not wasting time between the topic that is being added, and he was literally aware what he was talking about, and immediately you were sending him topic to change it, and he concentratingly he was trying to change the topic and give as much as very informative informations to you. So very nice you did this. I hope your speaking skills, already your speaking skills have been uplifted, improved. So again, we are human beings that we have to learn throughout this life. So thank you so much, Tanaji, for presenting yourself with wonderful talk. Thank you. Please clap.
Thank you.